Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, how to get started, where and when to apply, drawbacks, and the different considerations before choosing this chemical. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Apex is an imidacloprid roach gel bait. This product mimics nicotine, which is extremely toxic to insects, and it works by interfering with the roach's nervous system. Apex controls many different species of cockroaches, but we recommend it primarily for German roaches. Before using Apex, be sure to wear proper personal protective equipment, or PPE. Before application, make sure to wipe down any surface you plan to apply the product to. This is not only to ensure a clean application, but it's also to deny any food source for the roaches, making the baiting process more effective. Only use soapy or warm water to clean, as household chemicals and bleach will deter the insects from your bait. Apex comes in an easy-to-use, pre-filled syringe applicator. Simply unscrew the cap and screw on the applicator tip, and you're ready to apply the product. After cleaning the area, apply Apex in small, pea-sized drops. Do not squeeze it into a line, as roaches will only eat at either end and not the middle, therefore wasting product. Apply in cabinet corners, under kitchen sinks, bathroom sinks, behind toilets, around small appliances, and any location you've seen roach activity. Smaller, more frequent spots are better than the occasional large spot. You can also apply 2 to 3 drops on an index card and slide it under your appliances. Keep the product out of reach of children and pets. Apex is effective up until it dries out. We typically recommend checking the bait placements every 14 days to reapply or clean off product that is dried out. Apex is not an instant kill. Once the cockroach consumes the bait, it can take 4 to 6 hours for it to die. This helps the product spread, as roaches will typically return to the nest and defecate or die. Other roaches will then consume the feces or carcass and infect themselves. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. Typically, you'll also need a liquid concentrate and an insect growth regulator for complete control. For cockroaches and other insects, we've come up with treatment methods that we guarantee 100% to work. Click the card on the top right to get more information. Apex does not have an insect growth regulator, so it only affects adults that consume the bait or the infected host. To get control quickly, you will need to bait as soon as you spot roach activity in your home before the roaches can reproduce. Apex is recommended for active infestations, not preventative control. If any of these are a concern, check out Novacide Aerosol for indoor use, which has an IGR in the formula, or Reclaim IT for outdoor barrier treatments. Both control roaches and many other insect pests, and both can be used for preventative control.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.